Me Caveman. You ever sit by fire alone, holding big, juicy mammoth rib, but no one comes sit with you? You wave, you grunt, but tribe walk past like you invisible. Hurt worse than stepping on sharp bone. Long ago, me also lonely caveman. Tribe laugh, share food, dance around fire. Me sit far, talk to rock. Rock no laugh back. Rock boring. But then me discover, friendship not about biggest spear or shiniest pebble. Friendship is small steps, done again and again, until tribe heart open. 1. Say you, G first. Friend not fall from sky like flying bird. You must start. Even small grunt, open big door. One day me say, Yuji to hunter with new spear. He smile, grunt back. From that day, we hunt together. 2. Share fire, share bite. Food is glue of tribe. Share berry, share rib, share warmth of fire. First time he offer roasted fish, cavewoman smile, give honeycomb in return. Sharing make belly full, heart full too. 3. Laugh together, even itself. One time he chase rabbit, trip, land face first in mud. Whole tribe laugh. Instead of angry, me laugh too, loud, proud, muddy face. Suddenly tribe not laugh at me, tribe laugh with me. That day me belong. 4. Help when rock too heavy. Elder tribe move giant log. No one help. Me step forward, push with him. Log barely move, but elder smile big. From then, always save me seat near fire. Small help, big respect. 5. Be same caveman every day. Friendship weak if you change like tricky wolf. One day kind, next day vanish. No, be steady like sun. Show up in feast and in storm. True friend not disappear when rain fall. Me caveman finally learn, making friend not big magic. It not about shouting loud or showing off shiny bone. It about showing up, sharing, laughing, helping, and being steady. Do this, and soon you know sit alone with boring rock. You sit with tribe, warm fire, full belly, happy heart. If caveman wisdom help you find friend, push magic button, join tribe. Next time you tell story, caveman's secret to keeping friends stronger than mammoth bone.